nice. I was like, what is that?
Ready to pack up, Owen?
We gotta get everybody dressed. Because we're going to breakfast, and then we're gonna go on a bike ride in Cuyahoga Valley National Park. What do you think, Parker? It's gonna be hectic. You think it's gonna be hectic?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. He's crazy. Oh, okay.
Why did you get a shark on tail on it?
I thought you'd like it.
I like sharks. We pack up, Reese? What's your favorite part of the house? Yay! Hi, Mommy.
Go interview Mommy.
Hi.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Can you see me?
I can. Do you see me in there?
Yeah, I see you. Hi, Daddy.
Hi, what's up? You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready to go.
Okay.
We're going to go out to breakfast.
Yeah, we are.
Where are we, Daddy?
We're at breakfast at Beckers.
No, I don't know. I don't work.
Staring contest. By Reese.
Reese.
You can.
Want we put some stuff with that?
I'll record you. Hello, Parker.
Hi.
How are you doing?
We're at Beckers.
You're at Beckers?
Yeah. For breakfast.
What are you gonna get?
I'm going to get a bear pancake.
Bear pancake?
Yeah.
What are you gonna get, Reese? What are you gonna get?
Cake.
Alright.
Cake.
And Owen's gonna have organic banana rice cake. Think you can do it all by yourself? Oh, good job, Parker. I took a video of you doing that.
You take it on video?
Yep. Here, you can put a little bit closer.
A sausage.
You got
It has 3 ears. See?
3 years. I know Reese is hungry.
Uh-huh.
You recording?
Yeah.
Is it blinking? I'm gonna record you. You ready? There, I'm recording you.
But I'm recording you.
I'm recording you.
I'm recording you.
Bike ride time. Can't walk.
I'm so thirsty.
You thirsty?
Yeah.
You're in luck. Alright, just got done setting up. Right, Reese? You ready? You can, yeah, he's ready. Ready to go for a bike ride.
I found Reese's car.
Okay.
Reese's. But where's mine?
In your cup holder. Don't be too loud, okay?
Oh, yeah.
You're gonna distract Owen. Not yet, no. Ready to ride, Reese? Yeah, you are. Yeah?
This means the old man's cave.
Alright, let's find it.
You mean the old man's cave?
Yeah.
I don't have room.
That's okay. That's super cool. We're gonna go right through it. Nice. Alright, ready, Parker? Here we go. Hang on. Through the tunnel! Echo! Oh. Yeah, there was a good echo in there, huh?
Hi. Hi.
Hey, what's up? I was recording too. Definitely not in service anymore. Gone. Bumpy. Here. Go left, go to the parking lot. Oh. Maybe.
You see the Mitchell's ice cream?
Reese, go with mommy. Let's go see what this building is. Go ahead.
Whoa, look at that. There's boys in here.
Oh wow, it's like a concession stand. That's cool. Yeah.
River Bend Root Beer, Cuyahoga Valley National Park.
Crack her open. These two got juice boxes. What do you think?
It's more of a Barksy than a Muggy.
More Barksy than Muggy? It's good though. It is more Barksy, it's more like ginger-like.
Yeah.
Yeah. Back on the trail. 7 miles in. At the turnaround, I think. There's been a bunch of locks. Yeah. And then do you think we can take one of those connecting trails that we saw?
Just like put in bike trail. Like,
Yeah. Maybe keep it on our way back, and when we take a left and see what it does.
okay, so we're gonna go up here.
Let's go check this bridge out. Parker, we're gonna check out this bridge and we're gonna turn around.
I saw a dog that looked like the Ender Dragon. I saw a dog that looked like the Ender Dragon.
Parker, check it out. Look. Wow, look at that bridge. Look at the water. It's beautiful. It's pretty sweet, huh? Oh, we're at a train station. Did we stop here on our ride? Did we stop here? I think we did.
What?
On our ride. Remember our train ride?
Oh, did we?
Yeah, I think so. Parker, do you remember when we rode that train? Probably not. This is a good turnaround point. Train station. We're at the Railroad Visitor Center. Ding ding. Wanna go check this place out? Let's go.
Yeah, we've been here before.
Yeah, we have. Let's go look. Let's go look around.
It's where we got the owl.
It's where he got the owl. I think he played with it one time. Go to the Winking Lizard. Where? Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Watch out, Parker. Oh, that's cool. Holy cow. What you guys looking at? Wow. You gotta help Reese out. Reese doesn't know how to turn them on.